Hello my love. So today I'm going to share with you guys this really nice purple look that is kind of glam, kind of super fun that I've finally decided to do. As you guys know, I'm not a super makeup person, but I've decided that I was going to try this look and actually ended up loving it. So the star of the show is the Juvia's palette, the Zulu palette from Juvia's Place, sorry, and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to start by applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade FAWN on my eyelids as my base, and this usually just helps make your eyeshadow pop and last a lot longer. So I'm just putting it all over my lid, and I'm really excited about this tutorial, you guys, because honestly my makeup game, my blending game's gotten strong. So I'm gonna start with this brown, and that's going to be my transition color. So I'm applying it a lot into my crease and just bringing it like towards the middle of my lid. I don't need to drag it much down, but much more down, but I usually just keep it around there. So yeah, and I keep my exterior, I kind of like to mimic the shape of the liner that I'm going to have. So if I want like a wing, that's what I do. And I'm putting this purple, this beautiful purple on my lid, and I'm going with the outer portion of my lid first, and not going beyond my crease. And I'm doing the same on the inner portion of my lid, and I'm kind of leaving space in the middle because I'm going to want to put in a different color there. So I'm concentrating on the two extremities and then bring it closer to the middle, but not actually applying the purple to the middle, as you can see. And then there I'm starting to blend, and I'm using Lyvv Cosmetics brushes. I've had these for a while, like the 11-piece set, and I really like them. I think they work pretty well. I'm not a brush expert, so whatever works is good. And now I'm adding a bit more purple because I realized it wasn't popping enough, and dragging it down to my lower lash line. Yep. So now I'm gonna go in with this really nice light blue glittery kind of shade. It's not like super glittery, but it's like sparkly-ish. I like it. I really like it. I really add something, and I'm applying that direct in the middle of my lid. You know, the section that we left a little empty, that's exactly where it's going to go. And honestly, I'm not a blue kind of person, but this light blue is just such a nice addition. And all the fallout right now, I'm just wiping it off with my powder brush. And now I'm applying this LA Girl Black Gel Liner. You guys, I didn't know this thing was as cool as it was when I first got it. I was like, I didn't know if you could sharpen it. I wasn't sure how to use it. And when I ended up figuring out, I was like, oh my god, ignorance is a bliss. So I sharpened it, and I'm like, oh my god, this is amazing. It's a pencil, it works like gel, it's great. So I'm going back in and blending again, particularly with my transition color, just to make sure that the purple and stuff don't have any harsh lines. And now I'm gonna add some liner, and I'm using the Bella Oggi black liquid liner. I've been using it for years. I just love the brand for liquid liners, and yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And I'm doing a wing, and I don't want to do an extreme wing, and I don't want to have a thick line. So I'm really just going to like the mid of my eye and not going beyond there. I just wanted to have kind of a contour for my eye. I did not want to go beyond. I didn't mention that the black liner, the pencil one, I use it just on my lower lash line. And now I'm applying the e.l.f. Volume Mascara because I ain't got no lashes. And I'm going in with this lip liner. I don't know from what brand, but it's like a glittery brown. I actually freaking use this for everything, including my eyebrows. As you can see, these are my eyebrows, like the same color as my lip liner, that is why. And now the other star of the show today is Lyvv Cosmetics Lipstain in the shade Mechelle. I love it. I love it so freaking much. It's one of my super favorite colors ever. I've never tried a purple of this shade before, and honestly I am so in love, and I'm like, why didn't I do this earlier? So this is basically like the finishing touch, and I swear to god, y'all, it is popping. So yeah, it's actually just it. That's it. And honestly, you guys, oh no, actually I'm adding a little bit of highlight on my closer to my lip, because this is an area that tends to look really dark once I've applied my lipstick. So usually it really helps to just lighten it up with some highlighter. So yeah, you guys, honestly, I don't know if you guys have realized, but my blending game has gotten so strong, and I honestly think it's thanks to Alyssa Ashley, y'all. So I'm really happy about it. I'm super proud, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I'm just gonna pause for you guys, do a little few poses, let you guys enjoy the look, and let me know what you think. Do you like this purple? Are you a purpley kind of girl, especially for the lipstick? I'd love to know. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to check out my next ones.